Hello, let's look at this question here. School WASSCE Nigeria 2024 question 12a, core mathematics on circuit theorem. It says that in the diagram, PR is tangent to the circular center O at Q. So where the straight line touches the circle is at Q. That is why it is tangent to the circle. POQ is 56. PO is intersect SQ at V, as we can see in the diagram. Such the angle SVP is 109. Calculate angle TQP. So what we are going to do is to calculate angle TQP. That is the angle here. Alright. That is the angle between the chord and the tangent. That's what we are going to calculate. And there is a theorem that says that an angle between the chord and the tangent is the same as the angle the chord subtends at the circumference of the circle. So we can say that angle TQP will be the same as angle TSQ. That is, the angle here is the same as the angle here. Alright, and we see that we are not giving this angle, but we are giving this angle. So the angle, another theorem also says that the angle a chord subtends at the center of the circle, which is 56, is twice the angle the same chord subtends at the circumference of the circle, which is angle TSQ. So the 56 is twice of this. So we can say that angle TSQ is half of the 56. Is that okay? So we will say the angle TSQ is half of angle TOQ. Angle TSQ, which is half of 56, and that will give us 28 degrees. Therefore, since angle TQP is the same as TSQ, then we can say angle TQP is also equal to what? 28 degrees. So, since whatever angle is the same as here, if TSQ is 28, then TQP is also 28. So that is our A. Simple as that. We are done with the A. Now, let's come to the B, or the I. And then the II. Let's come to the II. Angle QTS. QTS. So here. So QTS comprises of this angle and then this angle, these two. Alright. So QTS angle QTS is the addition of OTQ, angle OTQ, plus angle OTQ, which is here, plus angle OTS. Okay, angle OTS. Right. So this angle and this angle. When we add angle QT, then it will be addition of OTQ here, and then OTS. That is what we have. So it means that we have to know this angle and know this angle. Alright. So how do we know the angle here? So let's consider triangle TOQ. From T to O is a radius, and from O to Q is also a radius. Because O is the center. It means that triangle TOQ is isosceles. And if it happens like that, then the angle here and then the angle here are the same. So angle OTQ is the same as OQT. Alright, so then we can say that from triangle TOQ, what we can say is that angle OTQ is the same as angle OQT. Angle OQT, let's say, is equal to X, because we don't know that angle. So OTQ is the same as OQT. So here is the same as here. Alright. And then we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. It means that 56 plus this angle give me what? 180. So we can say that 56 plus X is equal to 180. Because we are saying OTQ is X and OQT is also X. So we have 2X to be equal to 180 minus 56. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 56. So now let's come to our calculator and then we find our x. So 2x will be equal to 180 minus 56 will give us 124. Therefore, our x will be equal to what? 124 divided by 2. Our x will give us 62 degrees. So our x, it means that the angle here is 62 and the angle also here is 62. That is what it means. So that 62 here plus this 62 plus 56 will give us 180 degrees. All right. So now what is left? What is left is this angle. Angle S. What is left? Angle what? OTS. OTX or STO here. All right. That is what we are going to look for. Okay, so let's try as much as possible to look for that angle. So we find that, and that's why we are giving 109 here. And then we know this particular angle. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle will also give us 108. Okay, so what we can also say is that, let's clear here. Already we know what we are calculating for. We are calculating for QTS. Alright, so let's clear this side so that we can do the B part here. Okay? So on the II, let's continue on this side. So we can also see that from triangle TVS. Okay, from triangle TVS, already we know what is the angle at this point is what? S, the angle, I believe we calculated, that's why we had 28. TSQ, right? TSQ here. Okay, TSQ give us, because here is 50, so here will be 28. That is what we have already calculated for. So our angle TSQ is 28 degrees. Okay, we have it there as 28. And then here is also angle SVT. Is also what? 109 degrees. Okay, so what is left is this particular angle. Therefore, we can say the angle STO. Is that not so? S or O. What did we say here? We say OTQ. Okay, so let me call it OTQ. O, the same thing. OTQ. OTQ. Okay, is equal to 180 minus the addition of 28 and then 109. Have you seen that? Because 1, 2, 3 will give me 180. So OTQ, OTS rather, sorry, OTS. So OTS here, OTS, okay, is 180 minus this and this. All right. So 180, when you subtract, got 1, 2, 3 is going to give me 180. It's a triangle. So what will be our angle OTS? Our angle OTS is going to be, okay, so 180 minus 28 plus 109 will give us 137. So 180 minus 137 will give us 43 degrees. So 43 degrees. Therefore, our angle QTS, angle QTS here is equal to, so we are getting as 43 is equal to 43 plus 62, and 43 plus 62 will give us 105. So our angle QTS is 105. I know you enjoyed the lesson. Go to our channel on YouTube, subscribe and enjoy more. See you once again. Bye bye.